Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I collaborated with Benefit India to show you guys 3 different college looks. This video is for all my college girls out there. I always get so many questions about my brows. To be honest, I have naturally thick brows, but I love to style them differently and I recently started shaping my brows. And oh my god guys, it has completely changed my makeup game. So I'm going to share 3 different makeup looks and outfit ideas for your college or if you're going for brunch. And yeah, that's about it. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. For the first look, which is a college look, I wanted to keep things really simple and cute at the same time. I just shaped my brows using the Goof proof brow pencil, and then to add a pop of color on my cheeks and keep it natural at the same time, I used the Bene tint and I applied it on my lips as well. It adds a really slight tint to your lips and then you can apply any color on it or you can keep it this way. And yeah, that's it. For all the other products, I will keep everything in the description box below, so don't worry if you miss out on anything. I mentioned it in the description box below, so do check that out. For the outfit, I wanted everything to be comfortable, so I went for this Zara dress. Yes guys, it's a dress and I wore it as a kurta paired with jeggings, and that's it. And this look is really cute and simple at the same time. You can totally rock this look in your college. So next up we have lunch date look. For the brow style, I went for feathered brows and I've used precisely my brow and 24-hour brow setter to keep my brows in place. Then I've used the same foundation that I've used in the first look, which is Hello Flawless, and just to add dimension to my face, I've used Hoola bronzer. Then I went for Galorfornia blush. So yeah, that's my second look. And for the outfit, I went for this really cute red printed maxi dress. You can open it and wear it as a kimono as well, or you can wear it as a maxi dress. And then I slightly pinned my hair at the back to keep things really sexy and kind of a lunch date look. So yeah, that's the second look. Third and final look is the party look, and I wanted to go for bold and angular brows. I went all out and I've used the brow zings in number 6 and then I've used 3D brow tone in 4. As they say, my brows were on fleek. I wanted to keep my eyes the main focal point of the look, so I've really focused on my eyes and shadows and brows for this look. And then for the outfit, I went for this leopard print dress that I got from Zara and I've paired it with black boots. That completes my third and final look. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it and I hope you got some ideas. So next time you're doing your makeup, go all out and try different brow styles. Thanks to Benefit for collaborating with me in this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.